What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be attempting to roll my fender. So I didn't have the fender roller, so I ordered one on Amazon and got it within one day. It was Amazon Prime. The brand I got is called Sunko. So here's what it looks like. Yeah, never done this before, but I'm gonna attempt it and see how it goes. So I'll put this roller together quick and gonna try it, see how it works. I also went and picked up this heat gun from Harbor Freight. So yeah, let me get this all put together and then we'll see how it works. Give it a try. Alright, so here's one more time of the before. You see how much poke it's got. It's hard to see, but you gotta roll this lip in here. Man, I do have pretty stiff springs, so it's the Buddy Club RST, so we'll see if that will help with the rubbing too. Dark in there, but it's got the oleum lip in here. Alright guys, so I'm gonna attempt to roll my fenders. Both sides, the rear only, the front should be alright, just the rear. So I'm gonna take off the wheel right now. Alright, wheel is off. Get the light, it's kind of dark in here, but that's how it looks underneath, stock. So the first thing to do is I gotta clean inside here, get rid of all these dirt. Make it nice and clean. Then I'm gonna start to heat it up and then start rolling it. Oh, plus I gotta pop this out too. Just take off this bolt, pop out the fender so that way it doesn't interfere with the fender when I'm rolling. But yeah, that's it, stock. So afterwards, if it works, we shouldn't have this little lip here no more. Okay, so that looks pretty clean. I got most of the dirt on the inside off and on the actual lip off, so when I'm rolling it, there's no dirt on it. So that's it, and all that I'm using is just water and a microfiber towel. But yeah, that's it. So next thing here is I just gotta put the fender roller on here and start heating it. Alright guys, sorry my camera died earlier, but this is as good as I can get it on the driver's side. You can see all my paints are peeling. It's hard to see with the glare, but that's all paint peeling. And if you look closely right here, these are like plastic. That they stuck in there, so it makes it really hard for me to roll the fender because of that, and I think that's what causes the paint to peel too. Because this side, a while back, they literally had to repair this side panel on the driver's side rear because someone backed into it, and in the process of doing so, they must have put these plastic, whatever you call it, in there, and it won't allow me to do it because when I try to roll it, it'll push against that plastic, and this is as good as I can get it. And this side, you can see, I thought that with the freshly painted side panel on this side that it wasn't going to peel like this, but I guess I was wrong. So that kind of sucks, but that's as good as I can do it for now. Hopefully it doesn't rub, because up here it's pretty good. but it's just down the side here that's as good as I can get. Then I'll show you guys the passenger side. That's the best side. Okay, this is the passenger side, and you can see it looks really nice. The only part that chipped was the very end here, the very end corner here, the chip. But besides that, everything looks good on this side. It doesn't have the little plastic thing that was put in there. So yeah, I mean, kind of sucks that the paint chip on the driver's side rear, but it is what it is. I'll get some touch-up paint and just touch it up. I mean, it's underneath the car anyway, or under the fender, so nobody's gonna see it unless they bend down and look at it. And plus, it's my track car, so it's alright, I guess. Plus, it's probably not gonna get driven in the winter anyway, so I'm not too worried about it. But yeah, that's it. So I'll put the wheels back on, and when the weather's nice enough, take it out and see if it'll rub. Hey, what's up guys? It's been about 2 weeks since I rolled my fenders, and if you guys look back in the video, I had one side that paint started peeling off during the process of rolling the fender, so I had to order some touch-up paint, and it took about 2 weeks for it to come in. So I just got them in about last weekend. So I'm gonna go ahead and start prepping that area and touch it up, that way it doesn't rust. I'm not gonna be driving in the winter anyway, so I'm not too worried, but just want to touch it up so that the way it looks nice. So here we go. Alright, so I ordered touch-up paint from Automotive Touch-Up. Here's how it came in. I didn't know they made primer and touch-up paint and clear coat, so I ended up purchasing that too. So the one over here, that's primer. This one is clear. And this here is the touch-up paint. That's the code for the Arctic Blue. This one other here is for my other car. But that's the paint code for Arctic Blue. Yeah, I got these from Automotive Touch-Up. And also I ordered some hub-centric for the wheels. So got these off eBay. They're like 10 bucks, so not too bad. Alright, so here's how it looks like after I touched it up. It's got clear coat on there too. Right now it's just waiting to dry. And the only thing I wanted to do was just to cover up those bare metal from where the paint peel off. So it's pretty much covered. And we should be okay. So that's it from under here. I know earlier I said I bought some hub-centric rings. Well, I got the wrong size. The size I got was 64.1. Inner bore to outer bore was 73.1. And it's 0.1 millimeter too big. The Yankees RPF ones are 73 millimeter bore. So I just placed another order for a set of 4 off eBay again. So when those come in, I'll put those back on. And for now, these will just have to sit here because I got really no use for it. yeah, that pretty much wraps up this video. I just gotta put the wheels back on, and hopefully I don't rub. I mean, I'm gonna go with the bigger size tire. What I got on here right now is 235/40/17. I think ultimately I want 245/40. So hopefully I don't rub, because that's as good of a roll, fender roll, as I could have done. So yeah, we'll go from there. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets.